Me Zog, big, hairy, honest caveman. I hunt mammoth, fix spears, love family. For a long time, we live under tree. Not fancy tree, just tree. No walls, no roof, no door. Bugs bite me, rain soak me. Winter nights, brr, cold like ice mammoth. One day, after seventh soaking in 1 week, I grunt. Zog tired, Zog want cave. Cave with walls, cave with fire, warm cave for Zog, Zoga, and little Zogs. Zoga smile, kids cheer. Baby's egg stop chewing stick. So I go cave hunting. I see many caves, too small, too dark. One have bear, not good. Then I find it, perfect cave, big entrance, dry floor, space for fire, little stream nearby. I fall in love. Zog love this cave. Then come caveman. Slick tie, shiny clipboard. He say, this cave, premium. 1 million rocks. I dig in pouch. Count one, two, three, four, five. I look up. Zog only have five. He sigh. My heart sink. Beard droop. Zog never own cave. He lean close and say, you ever hear of mortgage? I blink. Mort Gug? That food? He laugh. No, no. It means you get cave now and pay rocks little by little over many moons, maybe 50 or 100 rocks each moon. Cave now, rocks later? Yes, but listen, Zog. Cave cost 1 million now, but over 300 moons, 25 years, you pay almost 2 million because of interest. That's extra cost for borrowing rocks. I scratch head. Cave cost more for taking long to pay? Exactly. It sound tricky, but Zog no fool. Okay, Zog go bank. I go cave bank. Big stone building. Inside wise owl with glasses. He say, what can I do for you, Mr. Zog? Zog want cave. Zog want Mort Gug. Owl nod. Got deposit? I hold pouch. 5 rocks. Hmm, not much. What's your credit score? Credit what? He frowned. Got job? Zog hunt? Zoga sell berries. He scribble on stone, then say, sorry, you not qualify. Credit score no good. You owe rocks. Save more. Reduce debt. I groan. Zog try. I work hard, pay off debts, save rocks, no stone smoothies, sell extra spears, even little Zegs sell painted pebbles at market. Moons pass. I go back. Owl adjust glasses. Savings up, debts down. Credit score, granite grade. Mr. Zog, you qualify for 25-year fixed rate mortgage. Zog have cave. That week, big cave warming party, mammoth stew, fire dance, rock music, whole valley come. Then 25 years begin, 300 moons of payments. Some moons easy, plenty, mammoth, good berries. Other moons hard, broken spear, sick kids, berry crash. But Zog never stop. Pay every moon, bit by bit, rock by rock. Then one moon, I go bank. Owl smile. Mr. Zog, you did it. Paid final rock. Cave is now fully yours. I walk home proud. I own my cave. No bugs, no rain, no bear. Warm fire, happy Zogs, full heart. What I learn? Getting cave not easy. Mortgug tricky. Cost more than you think. But plan, work hard, and keep going. You can do it. Want cave? Be like me. Be like Zog. Think, plan, do.